Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about the potential release date for the Nintendo Switch 2. If you're a gaming enthusiast or just love staying updated with the latest tech gadgets, this is the video for you. Let's start with the release date. According to a former Nintendo employee, the Nintendo Switch 2 could release in mid-June 2025. This information has generated a lot of excitement among fans. The source of this information is a former Nintendo employee, which adds some credibility to the claim. However, as with any leak, it's always good to stay cautious until we get official confirmation from Nintendo. Next, let's talk about the Nintendo Switch 2 experience events. These events are scheduled to take place from April to June 2025. They will likely give fans a chance to experience the new console firsthand before its official release. It's also worth noting that this information contradicts earlier retailer leaks that predicted a later release date. While it's not uncommon for leaks to vary, it adds to the anticipation and speculation surrounding the launch. High anticipation is building for official confirmation from Nintendo. Fans are eagerly waiting for more details and hoping that the mid-June release date turns out to be accurate. Let's discuss the potential impact of the Switch 2 on the gaming market. The release of a new console always has a significant effect on the industry. It could potentially shake up the market and influence the sales of other gaming consoles and brands. Competitors will likely be watching closely to see how the Switch 2 performs and may respond with their own innovations. Now, let's speculate on some possible features and improvements in the Switch 2. Rumors and leaks have suggested various upgrades, such as improved graphics, better battery life, and enhanced processing power. There may also be new features that enhance the gaming experience, such as improved Joy-Cons, better online capabilities, and additional accessories. User expectations are high for the Switch 2. Gamers have been voicing their hopes and requests for the new console. Some of the most requested features include backward compatibility with Switch 1 games, higher resolution display, and faster loading times. It's clear that fans have a lot of ideas about what they want to see in the new console. In summary, the potential mid-June 2025 release date for the Nintendo Switch 2 has fans excited. This information comes from a former Nintendo employee, and there are scheduled experience events from April to June 2025. While this contradicts earlier retailer leaks, anticipation for official confirmation is high. The Switch 2's release could have a significant impact on the gaming market, and fans are eagerly awaiting new features and improvements. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this potential release date and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.